How does liberalism address economic inequality in the context of human rights? How does liberalism tackle economic inequality while considering human rights? This question is essential as we navigate our modern world. Liberalism is built on the principles of individual rights, equality before the law, and political freedom. It views economic inequality as a challenge that directly impacts human rights. When economic disparities are significant, they can hinder equal opportunity and social justice, which are vital for realizing human rights fully. At the heart of liberalism is the belief that everyone should have a fair chance to access opportunities. This means that social and economic inequalities are acceptable only if they benefit the least advantaged members of society. Economic inequality should not create barriers that prevent individuals from exercising their rights or participating fully in society. To tackle economic inequality, liberalism supports various policy measures that respect individual freedoms while promoting social justice. One key approach is inclusive economic growth. This means fostering economic growth that benefits a broad range of people, ensuring that prosperity reaches many. The goal is to create opportunities for upward mobility without excessive government interference in markets. Another important aspect is preventing the concentration of wealth. Liberal democracies often implement policies to avoid excessive wealth and income concentration, which can threaten democratic equality and political freedom. This includes progressive taxation and regulations that limit monopolistic practices or the undue influence of wealthy elites. Liberalism also recognizes that markets alone may not provide fair outcomes. Therefore, it supports redistributive measures such as social welfare programs, income support, and public services like health care and education. These interventions help alleviate poverty and reduce the negative effects of inequality on disadvantaged groups, thus protecting their human rights. Legal and constitutional protections play a significant role as well. Many liberal democracies embed equality guarantees in their constitutions. These provisions create a framework for addressing economic disparities. Although economic inequality persists, constitutional provisions and statutory policies work together to uphold the principle that economic rights are part of the broader human rights agenda. In practice, this means that governments in liberal democracies may use taxation, welfare programs, public education, and healthcare access as tools to address economic inequality. The aim is to ensure that economic disparities do not translate into violations of human rights or undermine the democratic order. By promoting fair opportunity, preventing excessive economic power concentration, and enabling social safety nets, liberalism seeks to reduce inequality while supporting human dignity and democratic participation.